Hello, and welcome to the Introductory series for Taskmatics Scheduler. My name is Taskmatics, and I'm one of the creators of the Taskmatics Scheduler. In this video, I'll show you how quick and easy it is to create your own custom task. So, let's begin. First thing we'll do is launch a fresh copy of Visual Studio, and we'll create a new project. Now, a custom task within Taskmatics Scheduler is represented by a simple class. So, we have the option of creating a console application or a class library. And you may think a class library is fine, and it is, but in this case we're going to choose console application because I'd like to show you how you could run the task as a standalone executable. So let's call this my custom task project and click OK. And the next thing we'll do is go to add a reference to the scheduler core library. So to do that, we'll go and search on NuGet for Taskmatics. And you'll see the Taskmatics Scheduler core library over here. We'll install that, and when that's complete, we'll just close this package manager. So let's create our class. So we'll say public class simple task. And we'll inherit from the task base, which is the base class for custom tasks within the scheduler. And we'll automatically implement the abstract members, which just includes the execute method. So the execute method houses your custom business logic. So if you wanted to process a feed or upload files to an FTP or whatever your business logic is, you would place it here in the execute method. So for this example, all I'm going to do is log out to the log. And to do that, we'll access the context on the task. And on the context, you have a logger, which you can log to. So let's just say hello there. Okay, and that'll be it. That's our task. So so how would you run this right now as a standalone executable? Well, we provide a task harness for you. So we'll create an instance of a task harness. And we'll pass in our task, simple task. And then from there, we'll just call harness.execute. And what this will do is create an instance of simple task and execute it. So now you can run your task as a standalone executable if you want to test it like that. So let's save that and put a breakpoint here, and we'll hit F5 to run it. Okay. Now we're inside the execute method, and if we go to the output window, we can take a look and see custom messages that were traced out by the internals of Taskmatics. So you can see events are raised for started. If we step over our log line over here, we'll see it printed out here in the log as well. And these traces also get output to the browser. So like if you're in the browser on the administration website, if you went to this task instance as it was running, you can see these trace messages as well, and also after the fact, after it's already completed. So now we'll just hit F5 and complete the execution, and that's really all there is to it. So those are the steps you need to perform to create a custom task. In the next video, I'll show you how to install the Taskmatics Scheduler. And in a subsequent video, I'll show you how to configure this task to run within it. I hope you've enjoyed. Thanks very much.